3, 2, 1, go!
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to an all-new exciting episode of Conflicts. Today we have a brand new customized part for MiBro, a fun-filled robot that's designed to be your partner in crime. Now, MiBro has been out for quite some time, but it does lack something that we haven't really seen, which is actually these tracks. Now, this here is a Monster Trax by the good folks over at Hexnub, the same company we've seen that made a variety of other customizing parts, including for Cosmo. So seeing what this is all about should be quite exciting, as it does give more grip and a nice customized feel. So in this episode here, we'll be unboxing both, trying them out and seeing exactly what it does. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the robot first. So this here is everything that it comes with. Obviously we get our robot, so we have ourselves a speaker on the top, we have a microphone, and then we have a chest button right over here. And then on the back here you can have three different modes. You have the off mode, you have a radio control mode, and you have a radio control channel 2 mode, so you can play with a variety of different MiBros as well. And then of course you have your controller. It looks like it's very standard. You have your controls over here. You have different sounds, different games, in which you do get a ball and goal, so you can play soccer. And then you get a mini giant foam hand, so you can go ahead and place that on them just like this. And then you also get a rad blaster, so that's kind of cool. Alright, so besides that, it's a pretty cool looking robot. Then of course you have the original treads, which are kind of flimsy. They don't really seem to be too grippy, and they're just plain black. So that is that. Now we have our brand new Monster Trax. This should be kind of interesting to see. So let's go and take these guys off for right now and kind of place everything to the side. Slide these out. Oh, nice. So you get three different colors, and these are really, really beefy. I mean, looking at the quality and feel between the two, I can say that these here are a lot nicer. So definitely a nice upgrade for anybody who has a MiBro and just wants to kind of like spice it up a little bit. So let's go ahead and put this on here really quick. Whoa, that thing like makes a huge difference just by the appearance of it. It's actually pretty cool. So you can go ahead and mix and match and place different colors on there. For now, we'll just do both the same, just to get a better feel. And there you are. That's pretty cool. I mean, it definitely has a lot more grippy feel. You can see like it's not sliding anywhere at all. So that is actually pretty nice. I mean, the old ones are just like, ugh, so boring. All right, so that is that. Let's go ahead and turn this guy on next and try him out. All right, so let's go ahead and boot up our MiBro. Now, there's an on-off button on the back, so we're gonna turn it to 1. Same with the remote. And we're all set.
What's up?
All right. So with our remote, of course, we have our controls, so I can go ahead up, I'll go forward, I can hit back, I'll go back, right, left, and then you have these different keys on the top. One's a music key, so it's like a dance number, so let's try this out. Go! Let's go and bring him back. That's kind of fun, it's kind of cute. And then you have this little dial here. So on the dial you'll see three different things. So if you dial it to the middle right over here, this is like a gun. So if you put the gun on his hand and slide in place just like this, and then press the button. That's pretty cool. All right. And then you also have a different one as well. So you can take this thing out. We can put this little hand piece in, okay? And then press this button now. Oh, that's him farting actually. All right, so definitely interesting robot. Okay, and then lastly you have your soccer ball and your soccer net. So we just go ahead and dial to the right and then press the button again.
I'm number 1. I'm number 1.
All right, so let's see if we can kick that ball into the soccer goal.
Now that's what I call teamwork.
Yeah! That's pretty cool. Now, in addition to that, you do have some features on the right here. So this one here is to talk through it. Obviously, it has a microphone in the remote and has a speaker in here too. So let's try this out. Hello. How are you? So you can change your voice. You can go ahead and dial it between a deep or sad voice to a happy voice and an extremely happy voice. Hello. That's the lowest. This is middle. Hello. This is high. Hello. Kind of cool. And then also has a listening function, so you can listen to it from the other side. Hello. 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 That's so cool. Whew. So yeah, it also has a two-way kind of talk kind of feel. So that's kind of neat. And then lastly, on the front here, you have a silence mode or a spy mode. So you press that button there.
Okay, let's get sneaky.
So now we can do like a mission and operate in a very quiet stance. So it kind of gives you an idea about this particular robot in case you didn't know. Now, I've driven this robot before and I have to say, compared to the original Trax, it makes a huge difference. You can feel that there's a lot more grip and a lot more control. But there's no way of actually putting it to the test and actually trying it out against like some kind of incline. So let's go ahead and do that next and see what we can come up with. All right, so for this one here, we're gonna do a quick little race between the two and see exactly which one's faster. You guys ready?
3, 2, 1,
go! And you can see right there that the new Trax make a huge difference in terms of speed. All right, so for our next challenge here, we're gonna go ahead and try an incline and see exactly how MiBro handles this. Now this here is the original Trax on the MiBro that actually comes with it, so let's see how this works. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! You can see that he's struggling and then, oh no, 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 no! Oh no! All right, so next let's go ahead and try it with the new Trax and see exactly what kind of a difference it makes. Alrighty, so up next is gonna be our Monster Trax. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh wow! And without any issues at all, it was able to go all the way to the top, hold its spot. Let's see if we can turn it. So you have full control over this thing. This thing is crazy. That is awesome. So you can see that it makes a huge difference. And there you guys have it. This here's the all-new Monster Trax for MiBro by Hexnub. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, hit that thumbs down button twice. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.